Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician. Today I'm going to be an easy one. Going to remove this headlight. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I have to get behind here to repair some wiring. And instead of having you guys watch the entire other video to do this, I'm going to give you a standalone video on it also. So you can just follow along with how to remove this whole headlight assembly. So before that, please, if you had some time, go visit my merch store that I created. It's an Etsy. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You don't have to get anything, but the traffic there would be fantastic. And if you do want to get something, great also. Thank you very much. But let's get right into this headlight. Okay, so what we get to do now is we get to remove this headlight because there's still not really enough room down there to get all the wiring out, and there's more damaged wiring down below. So we need to take this headlight out so we can actually get to the all the wiring. Okay, step one, we got to remove the wiper, and this just pulls down, and then you can see there's a little 8mm nut. So we got to pull that nut off, and then we got to pull this little hose out. Next, what you're going to want to do is remove this whole side marker lens. Now, there is a tab that goes straight back. You can get to it from inside the headlight housing right here, and you have to pull it towards the inside of the car that way. And you're going to have to pull quite a bit because there is a little metal, flat sheet metal spring that's going to pull against. So you may or may not feel like you're going to break it, but you have to pull it inwards, and then this will come straight out. And then you can unplug the connector, and that's it. You can see, here's that tab right there. There's a little sheet metal spring you're gonna be fighting against. It's gonna go like that. And you do have quite a bit of lip right here that you have to release just to get this removed. Okay, next we have 3 bolts that we have to remove. We have this 8mm right here, then we have this 8mm right here, and then we have this 8mm right there. And we also have one more 8mm right down here. Now we can remove this cover. Don't forget to remove or detach the hose that attaches to the inside of this. Next, you're going to turn this 90 degrees to the right, so where the channel is facing like this, and you're going to pull it out. Then when you put it back in, you put it in, then you turn it 90 to the right. Now right here, between the headlight and the fan, you see there's one more little 8mm bolt right there, so take that out. Now, at least according to the work instructions, you should be able to remove your headlight. And don't forget, you will have to disconnect the connector that's over here. Just like that. Now you may, if you have wipers, you may have to finagle it out a little bit with the motor right here. Okay, so that's about it. You can see the headlight is reinstalled. There's not a lot to it, so it's really, really, really quick. So thank you for watching. Make sure you give me that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification icon so you get notifications when I post a new video. And also, please, if you have a second, please go visit my Etsy, and hopefully there's something there you like. There's some stickers and stuff there too. So thank you for watching.